Hello, this is Jeffrey Scott Johnson from Satellite Streaming Servers. Today I'm going to show you how to set up your encoder here at Satellite Streaming Servers. First, you will need a broadcasting software and a service through a streaming service provider like Satellite Streaming Servers Incorporated. Okay, first off, log into your account or your control panel. Like you might have Centova Cast Control Panel, or the Sonic Control Panel. But right now we're using Centova Cast Control Panel. So if under your general tabs, you'll have quick links. If you click quick links, it will take you to your live source connections. So usually you can broadcast from when your auto DJ is not running, you can broadcast from here. So oops, maybe the second one, this one. But most of the time you will have songs already preloaded on your Centova Cast, so you use it. You would use this one here. This one here with a password like James secret for your password will be created from your DJ accounts, so it'll be under your configuration. But okay, let's go ahead and open up a sound broadcaster. And I have Sound Broadcaster Pro, and it's already been purchased. I already installed the license key, so. But you've never installed Sound Broadcaster, you would have to install that. Let's see. Normally, you would normally you go to your desktop. On top of it, you see desktop A, B, and C. So normally you click on desktop B. Then you'll see encoders. Then if you click on the plus sign, you would see special net encoder, ACC plus V2, and MP3 LAM encoder. You would click the MP3 LAM encoder, click OK, and you go back to your so your bit rate would be 320. So you scroll down and click on 320, and usually do stereo. I usually put stereo, and the sampling rate it would auto. Usually we leave it set to auto. Then you want to have the SHOUTCast V1 checked. Then you go back to yours, and then you enter your IP address. Copy. Click it here. And then your port B. 8002. And then you would enter your password that you created from your DJ account. And then it's idle. And there you have it. You set up your encoder for your sound broadcaster. And that's how you set up your encoder through with Sound Broadcaster using your SHOUTCast streaming from your service provider. Alright, this has been a tutorial from Jeffrey Scott Johnson, CEO, CTO of Satellite Streaming Servers. Until our next tutorial, have a good day.